it's Irina Z, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your CNAME record within Namecheap and also how to set up the URL redirect in Namecheap. Now, you would do this if you were adding your Namecheap domain to be used inside of ClickFunnels. Now, in this case, you would be using the www version of your domain, and we'll go ahead and begin by going over to the domain list on your left-hand side menu. Once you are in this screen right here, what you'll be able to do is select the domain that you want to use inside of ClickFunnels and simply just click Manage next to that domain. So in this account, we only have one domain, but we'll go ahead and select Manage, which will take us to the next screen. And in this screen, you'll be selecting Advanced DNS Settings. Now, it'll probably look something like this on your end unless you have some MX or text records already added to this domain. But if you have just purchased this domain and you're setting it up from scratch, this is what it would look like. And what we're going to do is set up a CNAME record for your domain. It's going to be a www record. As you can see right now, it's set to parked at Namecheap. So we're going to want to go ahead and change that. So what we can do is go ahead and add a new record, and then we'll go ahead and remove this one that's in there right now afterwards. So I'll go ahead and click Add New Record, and it's going to be a CNAME record, so I'll click CNAME record from the dropdown. For the host, I'm going to enter www. That's going to be the version of the domain we're going to be adding to ClickFunnels. And then for the target value, I'm going to enter target.clickfunnels.com, and for the TTL, I'm going to keep it at automatic and then go ahead and check Save Changes with this little green check mark right here. Now, as you can see, we have two CNAME records right here. So we're going to want to go ahead and remove this parking page for Namecheap. So we'll just go ahead and click the trash icon next to it. And now the records look something like this. So you have a CNAME record for the host www, for the value target.clickfunnels.com, and the TTL is automatic. The next thing you'll do is set up the forwarding rule. So what this means is if somebody visits your domain without the www in front of it, they'll still be directed to the domain that's in your ClickFunnels account, which is the www version. So we'll go ahead and select Add New Record, and you'll scroll down right here and select the URL redirect record. For the host, we'll enter the @ symbol, and for the destination URL, we'll go ahead and enter HTTPS, the colon, 2 forward slashes, www.yourdomain. So for this example, we'll go ahead and enter the domain we're using. And for the dropdown, we'll go ahead and select permanent 301. And we'll go ahead and click Save Changes, this little green check mark. Now, keep in mind that after you've set this up, it could take up to 72 hours for the records to go ahead and spread through the internet, or it could take several minutes. So if your domain is not instantly verified inside of ClickFunnels, it's due to the fact that they're still propagating the records, and it just takes some time for it to go ahead and spread through the internet. Once you have completed this step, you'll head over to your ClickFunnels account. You'll add the www version of your domain in here. If it's not instantly verified, not to worry, it could just take some time for it to go ahead and propagate through the internet. Now, if you run into any trouble with this, please reach out to our support team and they would be more than happy to help. Thanks so much.